Hi guys, welcome back. Today is January 25th, 2021. We are going to analyze Apple ticker AAPL. Before we do, please hit that like button and consider subscribing to the channel and hit the bell notification for all. This way, it will help out the YouTube algorithm and you'll get new content notifications. Also keep in mind that I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for entertainment and educational purposes only. With that being said, let's get right into it. Here we are looking at Apple in the weekly chart, and we are looking neutral in the weekly chart since we have been a little bit overextended towards the oversold. There's still some upside for Apple, but I think kind of running out of steam. But then at the on earning on the 27th, it depends on how big the catalyst is for Apple. Then that will help Apple go more extended to the overbought side. Looking at the daily, we're still looking very bullish. So I think we're going to test the all-time high at 145 and 9 cents. But we are creeping towards the overbought as well. So I think we're going to have a nice run towards earning date, and then the momentum kind of died off unless there's a good catalyst from earning. And the 4 hours looking like we are losing momentum, but it's a shorter time frame. So tomorrow I think we're going to see some selling pressure towards the 138 77 cents. So I think we're going to test it and probably going to bounce off of it and test the all-time high one more time. And you also can see the EMA. Apple has been respecting that as a support. So we're probably going to see Apple testing that support one more time tomorrow before have a small bounce to the all-time high. In the 2 hours, looking similar to the 4 hours, we are overextended in the overbought, and the stochastic is telling Apple is having a little bit of bearish time, but I think it's very short term. I think we're going to go down. The outside telling us we're probably gonna try to go down towards the neutral zone and then go back up to the overbought one more time. So the 2 hours a little bit shorter term, but MACD is indicating that we still have a long more room for the upside to go. On the 1 hour, we are looking a little bit more bearish because it's a shorter time frame, and the bulls are losing momentum, and the bears testing the EMA as support. Today, we had a market pullback overall with the stimulus new, but that was just a short term, so that don't really count for to break the EMA support. So we are continuing to stay on top of that and seeing a nice uptrend for Apple. So the 30 minutes looking bearish, but we should see the MACD crossing very soon, and the RSI and the stochastic going to the upper side, and we're going to test that all-time high one more time at least before earning. 15 minutes, bears are losing momentum, and now we're looking more bullish on the short term. So I think at open market, I think we're gonna see Apple going up higher to the upside, and then probably going to have a little bit of sell off and test this 50 SMA as support, and then bounce off of it, and then go towards the upside or consolidate on top of the 50 SMA on the 15 minutes time frame. 5 minutes, bulls are gaining control, a huge volume coming in towards the end of the day. Try to bring Apple up on top of all the SMA and the EMA, and the bulls have successfully done that, and we're still in the bullish trend. So looking very good for Apple, and at the end of the day, it's really up to Apple to give us investors some good catalyst on earning date, and that's in 2 days. It'll be on January 27th, and I'll try to stay on top of that and keep you guys updated. That's all I have for you. I hope you guys like the content. Let me know what you guys think in the comment. I would love to hear your thoughts. Let's make some money.